Hi, Michael here. January 12th. We're about 6 p.m. Brussels time, which means that European markets are closed. US markets are open. Again, a beautiful green day today in Europe with positive outlooks in the US as well. This has been going on for 2 weeks. We've been having green days in the markets every single day this year, except for past Tuesday. And that means that there are constantly, over the past 2 weeks, huge opportunities, and I'll share my five favorites of today a little bit later. But what's actually going on here in these markets? Why is everything so positive? Well, sentiment has been rather positive already over the past 2 weeks, but I think it starts crystallizing that people are generally happy with the fact that the inflation numbers that we are seeing coming out are not as bad as people have expected. Um, and that combined with also the fact that in the US we still see a very strong job market without wages increasing too much leads to this positive sentiment. Add to that that fuel prices are actually at this moment decreasing, maybe helped by a relatively mild winter in Europe. But in either case, it doesn't matter. It translates into people being positive and having confident and strong markets. So, what are the opportunities that I've seen today and which are my top five favorites for today? Number five, Halozyme. It's a stock that has been in the picture already for a while, but now finally has broken into the sweet spot area. You remember my sweet spot is stocks with a rating of accumulate or buy and with a spread between current price and for resistance of minimum 10%. And that's what Halozyme shows with a spread of 10.23%. Number four, Delta Airlines, not one of my favorite stocks. It's a stock that actually has been in the shade for over the past 2 years, but now all of a sudden starts moving and entering for the first time also in the sweet spot area with a spread of 11.24%. Then we're heading into the top three. Number three is the first financial stock in this sweet spot collection, Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab has also been not moving too much over the past one and a half year, and now all of a sudden attracting positive attention with a spread of 11.60% between current price and first resistance. Definitely an interesting candidate. But then we're coming in the big league, obviously, the top two. Number two, Teleflex. Teleflex has been flirting with high spreads already for a while. It's been in and out of the sweet spot several times, and now it looks like it's um, asking for a more permanent place in there for as long as it takes, obviously. A nice spread of 12.51%. There are days that I don't get this on my savings account. So it's one of the stocks that we'll be keeping an eye on. Most interesting, of course, and the one that we're super excited about, the stock in the sweet spot that we've identified with the highest spread for today, um, Dow. Dow has at this moment a spread between current price and first resistance of a whopping 21.21%. Definitely opportunities there. I hope I can sell off HCA Healthcare that we bought about a week ago fairly fast, and it'll depend a bit on how good the market performs this evening and tonight because we're almost touching on the price where I'm willing to let it go. And again, I'm not giving you any investment advice because I don't know what I'm doing. But if I sell HCA, Dow Chemical will definitely be one that I will be looking at. That's it for today on the update. I hope you've enjoyed this. I repeat, we've started this channel only a week and a half ago. We need to build up everything again from scratch after closing down the previous channel. So please do subscribe, give a like every now and then. It will really help to give this channel a place that hopefully it deserves. Thank you very much, and we'll be back again tomorrow.